I heard people are getting rich off meme coins overnight. How do I get in on this? Rich? Buddy, I don't get rich off meme coins. I get rich making meme coins. Wait, you make them? Like, you're a crypto developer? I'm more like a crypto wizard. Give me 15 minutes, a stolen stock photo, and a Trelly board labeled roadmap, and I'll have a coin mooning by lunch. Pepe, it just went to 0. Yeah, that's called the exit. Okay, but what's a rug pull exactly? I keep seeing that term. Oh, easy. Watch. That's a rug pull. I make the coin, everyone buys in, then I yank the lickinessy out from under him. Works with rugs, works with retirement funds. That seems rugs illegal.
It's not illegal if the white paper has a disclaimer, Bonk. That's basic scam law.
Class, today's lesson. How to make a token called Elon Moon Doge Nonge Nunu 69.
Sir, what's our utility?
Excellent question. Utility is what we tell people we're building. Okay, well, not all meme coins are scams though, right? What about Bonk? Bonk? Like you? Yeah! They airdropped billions of coins straight to the community for free. No pre-sale for insiders.
Free coins! And it worked?
Speaking of suckers, I heard a rumor. Some new launchpad called pump.fun supposedly lets anyone launch a coin in like 60 seconds.
That sounds dangerous in your hands.
Dangerous? Bonk, my guy. That's a legendary origin story waiting to happen.